you guys, and welcome back to Stampaholics Anonymous. Nails were painted in 2 different colors. That can only mean one thing. Today we're going to look at actual stamping swatches. Woohoo! I am going to show you a variety of plates that I picked up from URSugar. I picked these up while I ordered that polygel set that I showed you a while back. And I saw that they had stamping plates with unique designs. I mean, they're not like, you know, straight up rip-ups from anything else. So I decided to get some and look into the brand. So I'm just going to do like random swatches on my nails, and then I also have some swatch sticks so we can see a broad variety of swatches from these plates. There's 5 plates totals. And they come in a paper sleeve. That's nice, but they don't come with a backing. They only have like a sticker on the back, which does nothing to protect it from bending, which also does nothing from protect your fingers from, you know, being cut from the metal. These stamping plates usually have pretty rough edges, and that's where, you know, those plastic backings come in handy. I do own quite a few of those plastic backings, and when I'm done swatching, I'm gonna stick these plates on the backings. I haven't done that already, and you know, it's just for the sake of the swatches, it's not really necessary, but if you want to use them for extended periods of time, I recommend getting those backings. You can find them on AliExpress. I'm going to try to link you guys to where you can find them. They're usually quite expensive. I bought mine on Alibaba, which is like the original page that AliExpress originated from. Alibaba is only B2B business, and I bought those plastic backings there in bulk. Let me grab them. I bought like a whole bunch of them. That's like only part of them for, you know, a very reasonable price. But the reason that I got them there was because I was also ordering, you know, supplies for my online store. So I grabbed these while I was at it. But like I said, I'm going to link you where you can find these on AliExpress. It's really hard to type in the right search terms, if you so will. So sometimes it can be hard to find them on AliExpress. But I just wanted to quickly mention that. And the way that I adhere these stamping plates is just using some strong double-sided tape, and that's it. That's basically how, you know, every plate out in the market is stuck onto those plastic backings. So let's look at the plates. I've got 5 total. The first one, UR001, is just random geometric patterns, really nice, and you get some, you know, individual images to pair up with the full nail images. Then we've got UR002. This is sort of like a mix between a layered stamping plate and some random full nail images. I might be trying my hand at layering stuff, but you know, I'm not very good at that, as we all know. Then we've got UR003, and this is like an animal plate, mostly cats, but there's also some puppies, like I established last time, so that's like a mix, but the majority are cats, and I like cats. I also like dogs. I'm not like, you know, a straight up cat person. I also like dogs. The next one, UR004, is a love themed plate with a bunch of full nail images, all, you know, centered around love and hearts and stuff. Really neat. And the last one, every day is as sweet as sugar. Oh, that's so sweet. The last one is URL05, and this is a unicorn themed plate. They all come with a protective, you know, blue film like usual stamping plates do. The only thing that they don't come with is a plastic backing, but we've talked about that already. So I'm going to set up for stamping and shut up and let you enjoy some stamping swatches. Alrighty. That were my stamping swatches of the URSugar plates. I am sort of surprised that they stamped so well. I'm happy with all of the images. None of them are like too chunky or not well etched enough or anything. So I'm really happy with this. And once I put the plastic backings on, they will be, you know, good to go and as good as any, you know, Will You London plate or Born Pretty plate or whatever. So if you're looking for like a good cheap stamping plate that you can find on AliEx, I highly recommend looking into these. I'm not sure at the moment whether there are like more than 5 plates. There might be. I'm going to put the link where I found these in the description. I think my favorite plates, I don't know, it's just something in this, how this nail turned out with the matte polish and then the glossy stamping on top. I kind of like this one a lot. I'm tempted to color in those like fish scales with some hollow polishes. I did like the unicorn plate. There were a few images on there that were like really cute, like this, I don't know, little piggy unicorn in a ice cream cone, really neat. The love themed plate is really neat. The one with the cats on it is also really neat. Overall, I'm really liking this. This one here, the one with the layered stamping images, is probably my least favorite because it doesn't really make sense. It's just a bunch of random, you know, things stuck together. So this is my least favorite, but of all of the other ones really wowed me. So let me know your thoughts, oopsies, down in the comments below. Let me know which images you liked, if you've picked up anything from this brand. If you're going to, let me know in the comments down below. Other than that, that's it for today, you guys. I love you very much, and I will talk to you next time. Bye!